Welcome to the first CAD mission walkthrough. Today I'll be showing you how to make a cube, which is the first mission of level 1. So first we need to create a project, of course. So we'll press create, document, and name it mission 1. Then we'll press create, let it load, and we have planes. These three things are planes. These are like paper. It's like paper. What we do with the planes is we use a sketch to draw something on a plane, and then we use extrude, or we use other tools to make it 3D from there. So what we'll do is we'll hide the planes by pressing the eyeballs next to them, because I personally think that they get in the way sometimes. But we'll keep the dot, the origin, we'll keep that. Then we'll press sketch, and then we'll click top. And then on this cube in the top right corner, we'll press top. And then right here, there's a drop down. We'll click center point rectangle, and then we'll hover over the dot, and then click and drag out. Now, a tool I find really interesting is if you press Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, it'll automatically snap to a square. So if I don't press it, or if I don't hold it, it won't be defined. Nothing will be defined. It'll be rectangular. But by holding Alt or Option, it'll make a perfect square. So then you'll click, and you'll see blue lines. Blue lines mean that the software doesn't know the exact size. It has a size, but it was the size that you clicked on. It was the size that you made. It's not the size that you want. So it needs to have a set size that you personally put with the dimension tool. So we'll click on the dimension tool right here. For me it's over here, but for you it might be around over here on the right edge of the taskbar. Click the top line, and then you'll drag up a bit, and then you'll click anywhere else, and you'll make it 25 millimeters. And all the lines should be black, meaning that all the sides are perfect, it's defined, you have everything. Then we'll click the check mark over here. And then in this small cube, this is the same as this cube, except this has predefined views. So you'll click isometric. You'll hover over the origin point, which is this dot. Just hover over it and zoom out so that the diamond looks smaller. And then you'll click this, which is the extrude. It should look like a big square and a small square. Click that, and what extrude does, it takes a 2D drawing or something, and it'll just make it 3D. So we'll press extrude, and we'll click what we want to make 3D. So that. And you can kind of see how extrude works. That's why I made you go into isometric view. Because if you grab this arrow and you drag, you see kind of what it's doing. It's taking the 2D shape that we made, the square, and it's making it into a cube. I like it. I think it's cool, very useful. We use it in every mission, almost every. And once you're done with that, you'll make it 25 millimeters and press the check mark. There you go. If you want to rotate your cube, you'll hold down the right mouse button and move your mouse. If you want to pan around your cube, you'll hold down the scroll wheel and move your mouse. And then the left mouse button is just to select. Once you're done with that, for a more professional view, you'll go to isometric, and you're done. There's mission 1. Congratulations. Welcome to the first walkthrough of mission... Dang, I already messed up. Alright.